Good morning all the students. Today we are going to solve exercise 2 of class 5. In exercise 2, the first question is write the successor of each of the following numbers. To find the successor, we have to add 1 to the given number. So, this number, when we plus 1 to this, what we get? The successor of 918506 is 918507. Now we have to find the successor of 8,07,919. To find this, we have to add 1 to this number. It gives you 8,07,920. So the successor of 8,07,919 is 8,07,920. Similarly, we have to find successor of this. To find the successor of this, we have to add 1 . 20 lakh plus 1, it gives you 20 lakh 1.
Three.
The successor of 20 lakh is 20 lakh 1. Now go to this question number 2. In question number 2, write the predecessor of each of the following numbers. So we have to find the predecessor. As we know that to find the predecessor, we have to subtract 1 from the given number. So the first number is given here. 7,01,515. To find the predecessor, we have to subtract 1 from this number. Seven zero one five one four. The predecessor of 7,01,515 is 7,01,514. The B1 is 1625919. To find predecessor, we have to subtract 1 from this. 1625918. So the predecessor is 1625918. To find the predecessor of this number, we have to subtract 1 from this number. Subtract 1. What we get here? The predecessor of 7,01,515 1000 is 999999. Look at here. This is the smallest number of 7 digit, and the predecessor of smallest number of 7 digit is the greatest number of 6 digit, because this is greatest number of 6 digit. Now go to the question number 3. In question number 3, counting by tens. What we have to do? We have to count by tens. Write 4 numbers starting from this. Counting by tens, and when we have to write the next 4 number, we have to add 10 to the given number. We get here, and like this we have to find 4 numbers. So the next number is, we have to add 10 in this. Similarly, we have to add 10 in this number. One, two, 3 number. One more number we have to find. So we have to add 10 to the result. So the answer is 312516, 312526, 312536, and 312546. Now go to the question number 4. Counting by hundreds. From this, write next 3 numbers. We have to write next 3 numbers. And what we have to do? Counting by hundreds. So we have to 100 to this number. Let us do. The number is, we have to counting by 100, so we have to add 100. Now add 100 to this. Now add 100 to this number. So the answer is 503812, 503912, 504012. Counting by lakh. The 5 number is counting by lakhs. From this, write next 3 number. So we have to add 1 lakh to this number. The number is 570816. We have to add 1 lakh. 1 stands 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So we have to add here 1 lakh. We get this. Get the first number, then we have to add 1 lakh to get the second number. And to get the third number, we have again add 1 lakh. So the answer is what? 6,70,816, 7,70,816, and 8,70,860. The question number 6 is, write in ascending order numbers between this and this. Number between this and this means number after this and before this. When we add 1 to this 6, we get 7. And when we add 1 to this number, we get 8, 8, 7, 0, 5, 0, 9. And when we add 1 to this, we get 8, 7, 0, 5, 1, 1, 0. So this was the answer. Similarly, in B, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 5, there was a 6. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 6, we get 7. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 7, we get 8. So we have not write to this number. We have to write only these two. This is your answer because 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 is given here. Now, we have to write the smallest number of 7 digits. In previous class, we already read about the smallest number and greatest number. So, smallest number of 7 digit is 1 followed by 6, 0. Question number 8 says write the greatest number of 7 digits. So the greatest number of 7 digits is, we have to write 7 times 9. And the last question is question number 9. Write the number greater than 2, 7, 8, 1, 6 and greater than and less than 2, 7, 8, 1, 8. So the number greater than this, to find the number greater than this, we have to add 1 to this number. When we add 1, we get 2, 7, 8, 1, 7. Because after 6, we get 7. And the number less than this, we have to subtract 1 from this number. When we subtract 1, we get the same number, 2, 7, 8, 1, 7. So the answer is 2, 7, 8, 1, 7. This was your second exercise. I hope you all understand these all questions. Thank you.